All right, working on a Ram 1500. This has the 4.7 V8. So I got the radiator hose off. Now I'm trying to get the fan off the water pump pulley, and you need a tool to kind of hold that. So I had to fashion my own. It was a little shitty, but I had to make this on the fly. I am on a time crunch, but look at that. Bam, goes right in. All right, well, it worked. Look at that. So now I can get the fan off. I gotta be careful though, because that shit's still hot. So have it counter holding onto the AC compressor pulley, but that's about it. Spin this bitch off. I don't want to touch the pulley because that tool I made is... all right, never mind. Didn't get off. Oh, shit. You know what? I'm just going to lay this down here. There you go. 15 millimeter bolt for the pulley. Let's belt this off. And this idler pulley down here, got to remove, and I think it's a 15 as well. Using the idler pull or the serpentine belt removal tool here, but I guess I'm gonna have to switch over to a wrench. Now with the fan off, I can actually get here with an impact. Alright, here it is. Set this shit off to the side. I'll remove the belt. Not all the way, just out of the way a little bit. And gotta take these off, and they're supposedly all different kinds of sizes. I think some might be, yeah, this one's a 15, this one's gotta be like a 10. Alright, got all the bolts out. I'm using the old water pump to, show me how these bolts go back in. They're all different sizes. The 15s are kind of small, the 13s are long. So yeah, now I've got to pull this bitch out. And there it went. And Jesus fucking Christ, a lot of coolant. And to get it out, and then you're gonna have to put it in like this, and then flip it around, because it won't come out the other way. Alright, so once you got the water pump out, before you put a new one back in, you want to clean the surface there. Use whatever, you can use your emo girl aesthetic tool, or you can use a actual scraper, a dealer's choice, and then get in there and try to clean that shit off. So I'm gonna try both, because that tool ain't gonna get up here. But for the most part, the shit seems clean anyways. Wasn't recorded, but there you see the weed pole is facing up. And I believe all these are, the torque specs for all these are 40 foot-pounds. So you just reinstall everything in reverse order. These two right here, that's the reason why you gotta take that idler pulley off. And now I gotta take this protective cover off, and now put the fan back on. Alright, got the fan in, and according to what I found online, that's like 40 foot-pounds of torque. So I got that torque tightened down properly. All those bolts for the water pump are also 40 foot-pounds. Same thing with the idler pulley. So very quick and easy job. So I finished that guy's water pump, and the guy paid me in peanuts. Texas Roadhouse peanuts. No, I'm just kidding. He actually paid me $80, which I wasn't expecting, and he gave me peanuts, so it's all good to go. All right, so here's the tool I made to get that fan clutch off.
It's basically just a rebar with 2 Allen keys welded onto it. And then I'll also post a picture of what I use to get a proper torque spec on that fan clutch nut. Also, I'm part of the YouTube partner program now, which is pretty cool. And I guess I have like super thanks and all that stuff. But if you want to support the channel and help with future videos, just like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thanks.